Hi, my name is Antonin Pochet, and I'm here to present you the Interpreto library. Interpreto is an open source library for language models interpretability. It can be installed via pip and support the latest Python versions. It has a documentation for the two modules, attribution and concepts, and also tutorials. For the ICL demonstration, we built a website to showcase all possible explanations. Here, a Roberta fine-tuned for news headline classification. If we look at the predicted class business, we can explain it through attributions with the most important words toward this class. Here with kernel shap, it highlights economy and Federal Reserve. On another use case, IMDb samples are much longer, so we explain sentences and not words. It's much more pertinent. Interpreto also proposes a concept-based explanation. Here in classification, we show the most important concepts for a given class. For the joy class, the most important concept is calm, assured, capable, trusting, and confident. But we can also look at other classes. In this website, you can show the code to obtain this exact explanation and copy it easily. Going to generation, we can look at a concept and how it is present in a given sentence. Here, the concept the, or, and, any, and a highlights in the sentence on the determinants. There is also the code. If we now go to attributions with, for example, a lemma 3, we can see in the sentence Alice and Bob enter the bar, then Alice offers a drink to Bob, that the most important element for Bob is Bob, and for drink, it's bar. Thank you for listening to me.